Let's start today with question number 2. Balance sheet of Ram, Sham and Ghansham sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. Their position as on 31st March 19 were as follows. Three partners capital. This capital will go to capital account, credit side opening balance. Creditor, bills payable and loan. All our liability will go to balance sheet liability side. Bank account, we will open bank account if there are multiple transactions. If there are no transactions, we will directly show it on balance sheet asset side. These are all my assets. Assets will go to balance sheet asset side. When there is an adjustment, it will be written in the inner column. When there is no adjustment, it will be written in outer column. Now, Ghansham retired on 1st April on following terms. See, Ghansham, third partner, retired. First adjustment, building and investment to be appreciated by 5% and 10% respectively. Value of asset increase, that means add to asset. Second effect, it's a profit, will go to revaluation account credit side. Okay, next. Provision for doubtful debt to be created at 5% on debtor. RDD less from debtor. Second effect, revaluation account debit side. Then provision of rupees 3,000 to be made in respect of outstanding salary. My salary payable outstanding. My salary payable outstanding. It's a liability for me, so it will be shown on balance. So it will be shown on balance sheet liability side. First effect. Second effect, it's a loss, and that loss will go to revaluation account debit side. I repeat, outstanding salary. Firm will always pay salary. So for firm it's a liability, and when liability increases, second effect it's a loss, so revaluation account debit side. Now next, goodwill of the firm. This now goodwill is of the entire firm. When it is of entire firm, all the three partners. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 90,000. But that means goodwill should be raised first in the books. Why? Because goodwill is not appearing in balance sheet. Balance sheet मध्ये दिसत नाही. मग दाखवणार goodwill पहिलं. Entry will be goodwill account debit to all partners. कारण हे जे goodwill 90,000चं आलंय, या तिघांनी केलेल्या मेहनतीचा परिणाम आहे. So goodwill to all partners. And the partners decide that goodwill should be returned back. After retirement, goodwill should be returned back. Now, after retirement, only Ram and Sham will continue to enjoy the goodwill. So, goodwill will be written off between Sham and Ram only in their new ratio. In which ratio? In their new ratio. Next, the amount payable to retiring partner was transferred to his loan account. Right? Whatever is the balance in Ghansham account will be shown as his loan. So no cash transaction. When there is no cash transaction, no need to open cash bank account. Okay. Let's start. First, capital opening balance. This is my revaluation account. Cash bank account not needed. Goodwill account. This is my capital account. I will write here by opening balance. How much? 120, 90, 60. 1,20,000, 90,000 and 60,000. Then creditor, bills payable and loan. All are liability and there is no adjustment to all these liability. So it will be taken on balance sheet liability side outer column. So this is my balance sheet liability side. Creditors, bills payable and loan account. What's the amount? 22,1250. 22,1250. 22,000, 12,050. So my liability side is over. Now asset side. Bank balance 54,000. No adjustment. That's why I will write it on balance sheet asset side outer column 54,000. Then data 90,000. Inner column adjustment type. Next building 60,000. Adjustment type. Investment 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Adjustment type. So posting is done. तुम्ही एवढं जरी केलं तरी 2 मार्क्स तुम्हाला बोर्डामध्ये नक्की झाले पोस्टिंगचे. Now hereafter few adjustments are very easy. Building and investment to be appreciated by 5% and 10% respectively. वाढवा. Building वाढली 5%. Okay. And investment 10%. So 15,000ची वाढ झाली. 1,65,000 झाले. नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये 5,000 वाढ झाली. 5% वाढ झाली. 3,000 वाढ झाली. So this is 63,000. Right? Now whatever effect you gave, first effect was debit effect. Now second effect, asset ची value वाढली. That means it's my profit. So it will go to revaluation account credit side. Building increased by 3,000 and my investment increased by 15,000. So this is my profit. Okay. First effect revaluation account credit side. Second effect add to balance sheet. Next, provision for doubtful debt to be created at the rate of 5% on debtor. So this is my debtor. On that 5% RDD. So 5% came 4,500. Outer column 85,500. Second effect, it's a loss. जेव्हा माझे पैसे बुडणार RDD होणार, so it's my loss. Loss आहे तो रिव्हॅल्युएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, म्हणून रिव्हॅल्युएशनच्या डेबिटला. नेक्स्ट, provision for 3,000 to be made in respect of outstanding salary. Salary is payable, so it's a liability. So I'll go to balance sheet liability side. I will write outstanding salary 3,000. Second effect, it's a loss. This loss will go to revaluation account debit side. Outstanding salary. Loss revaluation account debit. Goodwill of the firm valued at 90,000. So first we'll have to raise the goodwill of the firm. Entry for raising goodwill of the firm will be goodwill account debit to all partners capital account 90,000. So goodwill account debit side to capital. Okay. Ram, Sham आणि घनश्याम. ओके, टोटल तिघांची आली पाहिजे 90,000. तिघांची टोटल किती आली पाहिजे 90,000. That is to be distributed in old PSR. What is my old PSR? It is in the ratio of 3:2:1. This was my old PSR 3:2:1. So 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6. So divided by 6. If you divide 90 by 6, 15,000 will be constant. 15 threes are 45, 15 twos are 30,000, and 15 ones are 15. So entry will be goodwill account debit to partners capital. Goodwill account debit to partners capital. Second effect, capital account credit side by goodwill. 45,000 याला द्यायचे, 30,000 याला द्यायचे गुडविलचे आणि 15,000 गुडविलचे याला द्यायचे. This entry from the point of view of the firm is, आपल्याकडे असेट आली गुडविल नावाची. सो असेट रिअल अकाउंट डेबिट व्हॉट कम्स इन. कुणी आणली ही असेट? पार्टनर लोकांनी मेहनत करून आणली, तर पैसे पार्टनरला द्यायचे, असेटचे पैसे पार्टनरला द्यायचे. दिस इज एंट्री फॉर गुडविल रेज. After raising goodwill, it was decided that partners decide that goodwill should be written back. After retirement of Ghanshyam, it's only Ram and Shyam who will continue to use goodwill. The partners capital account will be debited. Entry will be partners capital account debit to goodwill. And second effect, त्यांच्या क्रेडिटला by capital फक्त कोण यूज करणार आहे goodwill? राम आणि Shyam. This entire goodwill of 90,000, right, should be distributed between Ram and Shyam. In which ratio? In their new ratio. See, what was their old ratio? Old ratio was 3:2:1. This 1 is of Ghanshyam and he is retiring. So this ratio is cancelled. Now what is the ratio? 3:2. So this is to be distributed in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2 matlab divided by 5. So 18,000 will be constant because 18 5s are 90.
दादा तो बाय ओपनिंग बॅलन्स 90,000 लिहिलं घनश्यामचं. 60,000 आहे.
60,000 आहे. Sorry. Thank you. Opening balance is 60,000. Yes. Thank you for correction. So now this will be distributed between both of them, Ram and Shyam, in the ratio of 3:2. So 18,354, 18,236. So second effect, Ram 54,000 and Shyam 36,000. Okay. Now if you see carefully after passing these two entries, बघा इफेक्ट काय झालाय. रामला गुडविलचे 45 द्यायचे आणि राम कडनं गुडविलचे 54 घ्यायचे. बघा इफेक्ट, 45,000 पेएबल अँड 54,000 रिसिवेबल. म्हणजे नेट इफेक्ट राम कडनं गुडविलचे 9,000 घ्यायचे. नेट इफेक्ट काय झाला? राम कडनं गुडविलचे 9,000 रुपये घ्यायचे. श्याम कडनं गुडविलचे 6,000 रुपये घ्यायचे. नेट इफेक्ट बघा, त्याने मेहनत केली गुडविलची म्हणून त्याला 30,000 रुपये द्यायचे होते आणि ते गुडविल राईट ऑफ केल्यावर त्याच्याकडनं गुडविलचे 36,000 रुपये घ्यायचे. डेबिट म्हणजे रिसिवेबल, म्हणजे नेट इफेक्ट 6,000 रुपये त्याच्याकडनं घ्यायचे. याच्याकडनं 9,000 घ्यायचे, याच्याकडनं 6 घ्यायचे आणि यांच्याकडनं घेतलेले 9 आणि 6 15 घनश्यामला द्यायचे. बघा, घनश्याम अकाउंट इज ओनली क्रेडिट 15,000. Nothing is debited to Ghanshyam account on the account of goodwill. गुडविलचे पैसे घनश्याम कडनं घ्यायचे नाहीये, तर तो चाललाय तर त्याला गुडविलचे पैसे द्यायचे 15,000. यांच्याकडनं घेतलेले 9 आणि 6 15,000 याला द्यायचे. अंडरस्टूड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस? सगळ्यांना समजलं? सो अकाउंट इज डन. नाउ आफ्टर गुडविल, ओके, what is the next adjustment? The amount payable to retiring partner to be transferred to his loan account. म्हणजे we'll have to start closing now. See, first goodwill account, raise 90,000, return of 90,000. So goodwill account tallied with 90,000, no balance. Cash account openच नाही केलं. Revaluation account credit side मोठी आहे बघा, 15 आणि 3 18. टोटल प्रॉफिट ऑफ 18,000 आणि लॉस एवढा आहे, तर नेट इफेक्ट करून किती आले? 500. झाले 5, 5 आणि 8, 8 आणि 10. ओके ना, 18,000. Now this 18,000 to be distributed among partners capital account राम, श्याम आणि घनश्याम. कोणता रेशो? 3:2:1. Okay, so if you divide it by 3:2:1, you have to divide it by 6. You have to divide it by 6. मग 6 ने डिवाइड जर केलं मी याला, 6 1 6, 4 उरले, 7 सकम 42, 3 उरले 36, 1750. 1750 च्या डबल 1750 च्या डबल 34 आणि 35, 3500. आणि या दोघांची टोटल हाफ जर केले तर 5250. सो टोटल इज दिस. चेक करा टोटल एवढी झाली आहे का? 10,500 झाली आहे का? सातशे आणि 500 अठ्ठाला 1, 6 आणि 4 10. ओके, 10,500. सो एंट्री इज रिव्हॅल्युएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅपिटल. कॅपिटल अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिटला बाय रिव्हॅल्युएशन 5,250, 3,500 आणि 1,750. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक द टोटल. त्याचे किती झाले? 75 आणि 76,750. त्यांचे किती झाले? 90 आणि 1,20,000, 1,23,500. आणि यांची 1,65,000 आणि 70, 1,70,250. आता यातले हे पैसे जाणार टू लोन अकाउंट. कोणाचे? घनश्यामचे. 76,750 विल बी टेकन ॲज लोन. दिस इज माय बॅलन्सिंग फिगर. कसे आले का बॅलन्सिंग फिगर? आणि ह्या दोघांचे बॅलन्स कॅरीड डाऊन, म्हणजे मायनस केले तर 250 चे 250 उरले. 4 आणि 6 10, 8 1, 5 आणि 1 6, 6 आणि 1 7, 1,16,250 हे त्याचं कॅपिटल उरलं. आणि याच्या केसमध्ये 500च्या 500, 6 आणि 7 13, 1 3 आणि 1 4, 4 आणि 8 12, 1 87,500 घ्यावे. हे माझं कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्लोज झालं. आता बॅलन्स शीट. बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये मी लिहिणार पहिलं कॅपिटल. माझे दोनच पार्टनर आता, राम आणि श्याम. रामचं कॅपिटल आहे 1,16,250 आणि 87,500. सो टोटल 750. 7 आणि 6 13, 1 8 आणि 2 10, 1. सो कॅपिटल इज 2,03,750. आणि हा घनश्यामचा जो बॅलन्स आहे 76,250. दिस इज नॉट माय कॅपिटल नाउ, दिस इज लोन. सो 76,250 ना, 250 और 750, 750, 76,750 is loan from Ghanshyam. Goodwill account, bank account close. Now let's take a total. 0 5 5 आणि 5 10, 7 1 7 आणि 1 8, 8 7 15, 1 3 आणि 1 4, 4 आणि 2 6, 6 आणि 2 8, 8 आणि 3 11, 11 आणि 6 17, चला एक, एक आणि दोन तीन, तीन आणि एक चार, चार आणि पाच नऊ, नऊ आणि सात 16. चला एक, दोन आणि एक तीन. So 3,67,500. Let's take a total of this. 2 0, पाचाचे 5. ओके, फक्त काही नाही आला. 4, 4 आणि 5 9, 9 आणि 3 12, 12 आणि 5 17. चला एक, 5 आणि 1 6, 6 आणि 8 14, 14 आणि 6 20, 20 आणि 6 26. चले 2, 2 आणि 1 3. 3,67,500, 3,67,500. Account 10. Okay. Was it simple one? सोपा होता.